Hello viewers, you are watching TeklaBD and I am Engineer Maidul with you. Today we will discuss about conical plate and a elder brother comment in our video that we will NC file create for this conical and we will answer it in this video. I want to replay this brother. So here we are in a Tekla structure model. Here you can see two conical plate and one column, and we try to make it NC file. So here we go export, click here and click NC file here, and we tick mark all the points and select all parts. Then before creating NC file, we have to check the model folder. Is there any NC folder? So there is no NC files or folder here. We will create now. So go to export and click NC file and select all parts, then create. Perform numbering, diagnose repair numbering check successful. Okay, NC file has been written for profiles. So we'll check again the model folder, and here we get one NC files. We open it, and here you can see three profiles, but created only one file is created NC files, like C1 means column C1, that profile. So conical plate is not created NC file in Tekla structure. Thank you. Hope you will get your answer. Thank you very much.